In this highly detailed close-up front-facing portrait photograph, we aim to create a hyper-realistic portrait of a Black Labrador Retriever in a natural forest setting by a mountain lake. It is crucial that the retriever's face is front-facing the camera for successful processing of the photo. To capture intricate details of the retriever's head and shoulders, we will use a DSLR camera with a telephoto lens in a close-up, stationary composition. The photo will be taken during the golden hour to achieve soft and warm lighting that highlights the retriever's features and creates a bokeh effect in the background. To add depth and texture to the image, rocks and boulders will be included in the frame. The forest setting and mountain lake will be prominently displayed in the background, emphasizing the natural environment. We will employ advanced techniques such as a short exposure, a fast shutter speed of 1/1000th, and low contrast to create a hyperrealistic image with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a frame size of 1920x 1080 pixels. During post-processing, techniques like denoising, diffraction grading, and HDR imaging will be applied to enhance the image's lifelike details while minimizing data loss. The retriever will be captured in a natural and elegant manner, with its fur reflecting the soft light and natural surroundings. Its tongue will be positioned inside its mouth to maintain a refined appearance. The final image will convey the natural beauty and elegance of the Black Labrador Retriever, showcased against the stunning backdrop of the forest and mountain lake. It will be optimized for size and clarity, suitable for various contexts, including editorial photography, book covers, posters, and museum exhibits. Now let's delve into a detailed description of the medical procedures that would be required for humans to serve in the described environment. To thrive in the described environment, humans would require specific medical procedures and adaptations to ensure their compatibility and well-being. Respiratory system enhancements. Surgical procedures can be performed to optimize the respiratory system, enabling humans to adapt to the potentially lower oxygen levels found in high-altitude forest regions. This may involve modifications to the lungs, increasing their efficiency in extracting oxygen from the air. Visual enhancements. Advanced surgical procedures or genetic engineering techniques can be employed to enhance human vision. This would allow individuals to navigate the forest environment, with its varying lighting conditions, more effectively. Modifications may include increased light sensitivity, improved depth perception, or enhanced color vision. Musculoskeletal adaptations. To better navigate the uneven terrain and rocky areas in the forest, humans may require musculoskeletal adaptations. This could involve strengthening leg muscles and improving joint stability to enhance balance and agility. Additionally, adaptations to hand structure and grip strength may be necessary for climbing or traversing rugged terrain. Thermoregulation modifications. The forest setting may experience temperature variations, especially at higher altitudes. Humans would benefit from medical procedures or adaptations to regulate body temperature effectively. This could include improved thermoregulatory mechanisms or modifications to enhance heat retention or dissipation as required. Wilderness survival skills training. In addition to medical procedures, individuals would require comprehensive training in wilderness survival skills. This would include knowledge of the local flora and fauna, navigation techniques, first aid, and the ability to identify potential hazards in the forest environment. These medical procedures and adaptations would ensure human compatibility with the described environment, allowing individuals to serve and thrive while preserving their health and safety. The camera setup and imaging technologies used for capturing the hyper-realistic portrait of the Black Labrador Retriever in the forest setting will remain consistent with the previous description. The DSLR camera with a telephoto lens will be utilized to capture intricate details, and the specified shooting techniques will be employed to achieve the desired composition, lighting, and aspect ratio. Post-processing techniques such as denoising, diffraction grading, and HDR imaging will be applied to enhance the image's quality and detail while maintaining data integrity.